Mutakasengi ke santri Jemang ajar pesan mutang ba kejela kon ke sangma labu ilmu kerteng nam mutaka bante ya ke Indigenous ko sila sentra jong ke Khasi kemi maukar Shillong ya ni ke sentar onte ya ke jinglut ke bakasan Klur patkan longkum ke kerdop jong ke Spah Hyndai jong Khasi ke ban pen i ke Spah tenrai ke badang yaibut bat le hadu gini sengi hab kren kan ke sengi kondal ong bakani kam dei tang ka jing tei hanrei kadai kanong rim jong ke jing yai ti ka larti kijaka hakaba ka jinglong tangrai ka jingle niam ka jingnyai bat karukom im jong gibreu la penne pensa nam ta ki pateng la pateng rong bagini ki paul spa snem balik yak jingle niam la pendep hakajaka baklam don ka jingsina ka bapaka bat kesuka ka penbe ikani da ka bawanra ikan san ka ban phalang yak jingdon kam jong ka larti hakani kijaka habak kemen bagani kijaka kan long kijaka ban yo ya jing tip ba jing start ukonat rong ba kan ni ke sentralkan pen i ya jing ruspa jong clarity sya ka perthai bat kan penla ya ki samla ban sutu ban tip na ki belasan ki ban nyasam ya jing start jong ki ha ki pateng ha kan ni ke pukrama don lang sebut jang ba pestun song umti soka ba polondo sten senggas di kemi ba open nologi wei pat
approached the government, had met me personally, and had proposed to put up this particular Indigenous Cultural Center. And that was the beginning of the process of being able to reach this point where today we are finally laying the foundation for something which I believe is going to be truly amazing. And I say that because I'm a very strong proponent when it comes to preserving the culture, preserving our way of life, preserving our history, and celebrating it. And the reason is because that is who we are. That is our identity. That is what makes us who we are and also differentiates us from others. As we heard our friend Hamar Seng, he was explaining about this particular project. It's not just a museum. It's not just an Indigenous center. It's going to be a vibrant Indigenous and cultural center. It's going to be a center where youth will come in, whether it's music, whether it's handicraft, whether it is the knowledge that needs to be passed on to future generations, whether it is research, whether it's papers to be written, books to be released, libraries to be created. This will be a vibrant, as I said, Indigenous center where multiple activities will happen. And let me assure you that we as a government will continue to support you to ensure that we are able to make this museum come Indigenous center, into one of the most vibrant cultural centers in our state.